And I hope they bear the last.
And come on, make Dino legend. Pompo. Tinkler. Plans books on Kahun. Pen come on, Medino. O draw midfield organogram now. Pompo on Kahun. But a quabit you be a Pompo.
Says here, they won't count.
As a C idea.
But more, she said, a
quabit you be a man because midfield one. Legend, change this bet me up.
As in say,
obi baako betimi afirim kese baako.
Enje okay say boy. Kofito mpu da bia kana semi. Say ekobasa oba kotokwa. The competitor say yahwana.
Wali Fuseni Nima, the Budjano, Tumpo betimi agina ho. Okay. Ubejo be Budjan Tumpo betimi agina ho. So dem tell say, entry mu de no ho.
So me say ye exercise. What's the one? Me
say Walid
Fuseni Nima.
Ubejo. And Emmanuel
entry. Sa three players we. Emu hwan. And a Kofito mpo ya de say no. Me pese ye sa exercise no. Na ye hwa de. Sa three players abom di no. Emu hwan. And all things be equal. On a very good day, Kofito mpo ya de say no.
He has what for abom dodo.
Na me tuma hwan.
Se see idea. You don't know what for you to do.
Enye tumpo asem. On say sa enema na we no. O se ehwe ni ye. Na we ba na we ko na we ba. Oba no. Adadafo no oya ade eso ma na sese. Intina mbisa wo se.
So we get ba jire ya, that get ya peso.
Ye wo he ya, ya yanko achiro bia bia. Eti abusa wo se ekobasa Kofito mpo. Se de bia wo kana semi. Wa me hu se onka Tinkler pass ho na momu no
for now say I feel
maybe ana busa say okay granted sa kwan me bie sa kwan no
wa bie
ane
say ba ku firim ti ba ku nyam firim ne de
tie se Kofito mpo baba e wo so oba no oya ade se sa omo ho ni bi etla busa say Walid Fuseni Nima
se CID le de wuti
ibajaw Emmanuel entry why na Kofito mpo ya
se CID wuti se CID Walid tro sa be prove no edi woni tombo level na ye pay for now
ye pay
for now
ye pay dey say Kofito mpo hunya in all sincerity se tie usam tuma Walid Fuseni Nima obias oba Kotoko no wa disappoint
wa disappoint
Kofito mpo ewo the form of his life it is a busa na ka cham se yi woni Walid Fuseni Nima ye pa Kofito mpo no hunya Kotoko. I'm telling Obia or Kotokobia. TK, campus se bebe.
I agree with the Okano.
Bibusa assembly. Bibusa was say. Omo train no. Oba na competitors and wine.
And nobody no.
Beba. Govina nyabotre. And I say Walid Fuseni Nima. Emmanuel entry. And he bejo. And I busa say okay. Omo mi ensa no. Oya de say hwan. And we Walid Fuseni Nima na ase.
So me so last Oba na M5.
And I say Walid Fuseni Nima emia mu dia one ne yepe. E kire say Walid Fuseni Nima any form kra no. Kofito is not better than him.
Yeah.
On that score, Kodoko nya Kofito mpo.
Based on the Okan there.
Based on Okan.
But
Kodoko nya Kofito mpo. Because if Emmanuel Kotei I want elements in
elements in the anwase.
Libajaw 97.9. Oni onya any introduction. If Walid Fuseni Nima is in elements, it is a see akwana also name in elements in no. Kofito mpo ntimi tuna. Ko the company for Kodoko nya Kofito mpo. Mo sack these three players on match na Kotoko.
The Okan the sanity. But most of me player na me hunu as a different profile. Me hunu say on yes central midfield or back to Kosisi ya on boss central midfield role but defensive midfield role yes and competitors no me shena go me Tinkler ball na obo na prep midfielders mutim prep ball 10-10 na you mean say obebo DM no what I say oni hu be jaw mu ne Lord Hilary Adabo mu ne Prince Badumu ho
di you need a cemented enko kra obe fast maba
cadre no
ja
ene no hu yam
eti kofi yam
for now the mo de enko akwari wo no
cadre no emfa on the ball bi o but once last so be year story say coach Ngwasi be be 2-2
2-2
exactly 2-2 there.
And the 2-2 they say you know. We say players on more camp here 24. The 2-2 na me kan you know.
The coffee.
Me dey legend.
What kind there?
Akwada na ma no obechem ne dey. Onimbo obopa.
Ono so person hu ni ya.
Central midfield.
Yes, echo 8.
Onimbo obopa
because onim or adigos.
Akwada nimbo obo.
Or adigos.
Antino tell me that me dey.
Or adigos. It is how the defensive now. Obel limit no.
Mentina me musa say the competitors aya hwan no say now say Emmanuel entry he be jaw wallet fuseni name
yeah
and I'm say and akofo name aba and I'm say name any form no kra no what say kofi tompu
yeah
kofi tompu ya kana say me no he's our form he's on form yeah obi ebo ne din it is a wallet the back Kotoko na wallet the form no kwa Kotoko for say oh o man who the best of name na say kofi tompu nye better than him ehun hia Sokola ko fatu to fitompo mo saki name na bobo no
based on the okan
yes but mo saki name no
akwada na mi so ma hwe no legend oye player team bia ebenya na nko ni team bo na obo no
wa bo be chema how many seasons
3 seasons or so was extended 2
was I extended
so oye young
God go for nya na chi
ne second season na we no nti we the obekoye third season
Unse obai as junior team nti o join no nya bi mo because of senior players na na won nti one way because he 2 nti o say say o bam ne last 2 seasons unse opoku nti akora
tombu no
ba me kan de na wabo the nya bi bo no o join ni team but the wabo
the company for mutie Fox FM wallet fuseni nema Emmanuel entry Hubert Jawu Kofi Tompo nya better than Obiahom. They need to cite wallet for saying Nema. Jawdi last is or Yenejuma.
If these guys are really
you need to cite Emmanuel entry. You need to cite wallet for saying Nema. Munya Kofi Tompo. Munya na chidi.
Above all the to aso fasem no ba na abidin kom.
Kofi da pon.
Ale mama nto aso. Mama nto aso na ba ku bi wa.
Tombo sorry na. O kan ma sile as afunu.
Edele no kadiri na amanu ma be ye kadiri ni wo ye stobo legend mo fa nto so amati mo fa kadiri nto so na yini ni honko mo legend
ko fi adapon
ne work permit em no mo ye hu adwuma
to go be document
nti bibia ni wa betimi asesa
amati man to so
uni say
amati against player
according to abofo huntahu legend ya monitor Tinkler
okay
unse press ni bi o akwa o tam yenu a oyiwe ba ba ono no de no o constant Kadri
sa
Abdul legend legend say and sabo pa destroyer destroyer
me pa bro for ni bi locally players we hu omo no 34 nyina ne ba body seven
unse onu wo Adamu Mohammed mo yi mu wo
Sariki
de bi papa ba on go take
ku fi wo tre susu gane siade e
okina be uzaje eti legend
Fabio Grosso
ni work permit na no start here
okay
no start work permit nti legend
Fabio
aka announcement bi na say number catch yourself
no always
oba afẹ́ mi wá wọnam Facebook ni mu internet ni mu ba
Martin
legend
Fabio
yes make me a catch us say for now
okay
akora no tize bibi sesa we aba akọ bet me di ni one dance say
tin ne pecha mu we di
posisi what there
we dey say you hu na ni mi
legend say ni zin dey throw fan sa
the way I am kana say mo am ko to dey answer
say that be say that be legend yen track ke ye ma untwa
we ni na mu small group it
ya ma untwa kwa eze kwa wa di yi na begbu onum police phone nyina wo wate
okay
eti untwa kwa ya eti ka utility
eti mobile speech ani
so we na o so we dey baby Fox FM for dia do you for bia we
we sem so for na akota
we sa picture we am ponsa correct you pa from ponsa
okay
do you want for bia copy
obeyama
e what phone so
obeyama ko mbetete
come ponsa
let now we who no ni na asesia bi sei all the say I say ball again be sia o kwa asesia bato boy nsia
say o de mate me
we ya me ga jaje legend
Fabio Grosso ade
abafo akofa asem bia ba o legend asem wo hu
e de asem biem
unim say the real season no 97.9 player bi a o made for o ye kese e twelete e ba secretariat say I'm glad to write you this letter, dear Asante Kotoko. Letter no na me letter da. I'm so excited one job da. You didn't write letter to your girlfriend? Oh! I'm glad to write you this letter. I'm happy to write you this letter. So, but only no, I'm sorrowful to write you this letter. So,
okay.
Dear Asante Kotoko, I'm not happy. I want to terminate my contract.
Why no?
He'll be jail.
And as he play akese.
No, say play akese no. Onye he'll be jail. Legend, play akese for now.
Oh, you play akese da be.
Oh, since na we dey so player, wo ye ya na he'll be jail.
He did well, but when you play akese.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Hey, legend.
Until I'm say last season you better did well.
But last season
but only play akese.
Oh, that be say there, baby amudina ko gina no.
Why am I go gina? Why am I go gina? Oh. Oh be busa.
Ada crowd here say fine, you be buy a fine.
Oh, and I have not changing my
mind. And say oh household name in Kotoko. Do your household name in Kotoko.
We see player kesi.
Na ma de kesi no.
The key word is player kesi. Player we
say Ghana.
You can't household name matter
say.
You put them back shame household man.
Say what here Fox FM. Udi.
The first say Udi die. Who say Kotoko players. Either say last season na on masa.
And
na omo ba bro.
And Joey no.
Then Jawuni no. E man nye player kesi.
Sir. He performed
well last season, but he be jaw onye player kese.
Okay. What do you say? I now be coming there.
Into Otralete said.
Otralete ko secretariat.
Say.
So person try contract.
I don't know man twem.
O man twem because MC administrative manager na kasa.
Minia akoto.
Oye juma pa yes. Say do be say who abeg. So ba no pena. And I don't make here.
What are the days?
So who are big? Aye. Legend.
The way. Okay, Bia. It's not me nyam. Me adana come twem.
Hey, who tell you where to contract? Hey, legend down. You see, who's that story we know? I be control. That's all you hear. They have for yeah.
Fabio Grosso. Bia. Local stars now we. Kotoko ne house na ya na baka o masem. You don't know them. Kwano tu na menkasa.
Oh, you can't be possible.
Me say.
I'm play you be jaw.
Kwano tu na menkasa.
Dauti.
Local service now with the ban. Ticket be dauti. Local service now with the ban.
Raise your head.
Kotoko ne house now do almost service ban. E bia unim how big Kotoko and house is. Na sabi. Mani sisim na so. Bola ni ejeyi. Mark Sechere. Jodo Poku.
Adamu Mohammed
mababo. Akura we omo mu kota menka half akura.
Samuel Nkumo
onye Midfield.
O come Midfield this.
Enti so odanya ne dako. Into oja no bolo boy.
And there's a baba rasi we are.
You just saw the dako. Was so we dey no. Africa Kotoko secretariat. Na oka champion for some ntwa contract ma I'll cancel the contract.
So as when you happy.
Me say I'll cancel the contract.
Legend, yeah, can you be just a supporters favorite?
Until I'm say ya na stories na
o de ya na baba Rashid je so no be so o de
na baba Rashid me prefer baba Rashid
that is how no o nya ya ga best players in the
best player free
na ko nya o manya for
say ma legend
baba Rashid me say am say wona Fabio no a o de stories le ba no Kotoko ne house no woni wo mo enti asembia na say eyo me say me Kotoko panyina he be job cast asem and can cancel the contract
Jawdi akosa mu ntwa me contract mpanifo as David Jawdi na wo yi yes raw o say
tike breme
asaba
me nkan bi
utie Jawu so ya happy man e wo Kotoko to say bia mi nim dia bat asem panifo ne kasa asema mi keti legend ehun frama enyei
me se me comment bi
sa wo awu ye guze bia me ye bata bofo bie so a
de we ya hu Kotoko ne house se player bi nyankopo ye wadom na Kotoko no utim bo season ba ko bi na se ye nam ho tete me o tase e tell me say Daniel ni ye jei Mark Sechere Adam Mohammed 97.9 Michael Akufu Gaddafi some midfielders we omu gina ho a he bejaw this omo we training no na with respect wakojo omu jese go kono obu kwalo akosi na adom wo senior akosi dia ba yes last season you did well but say so dia say your player for 4 years contract no say Kotoko secretariat say your contract who can say dia bro ho
so mo wo boka so wonte so no kayi nya sa voice na nke pa o ka so wonte leje what you say
what you say
minwe di leje sembe badabi di ewum no why nti minim die be kwa kosi minim die yo say ensa dan ko da sa oh yes
ene o panso nkasa
okay
he be job papa ene ne nkasa
it ness ade no
ono so anka na ntum
okay nessa papa ba kire se de ninye se agwa na ninye na ninye
so una no o papa pictures no
o se dia che eno ma mi nyira
o se se papa no o ta ne di nkomo
oh yes
o se bi so anka na
no me mama na afrewa
susuanso vitinha susuanso vitinha se o be jaw free susuanso
oh okay
yes
susuanso mu se ba ko hotel ko do ntino
we ni ye
bravo susuanso wo free
mutu company bi o magidi me pese me bo mu di mutu ayi ho
o da to aso
so de o okay ho o du tano so na no ba
ko ni kaka
obi
menwo pa legend
Fabio Grosso
mama Sunday sawo ni we nkoma place we na bibia nye kama why
Martin
Zakaria fuseni o
wadanfo no
onnere no pa na daruma omiemu eye why
Martin
omiemu eye legend
Fabio Grosso
asi edu miemu
sha
omiemu
player obi ma bra ba obeti to no miemu
dabi takiye ko Tinkler de no nye yo bra ba se mo wonu onim okay no mercy for Ayibia let's watch us here omiemu who say onu kwa na aka left side wono
so say ba kuna ba
onu kwa na aka
okay
empen komo no Kotoko pe bia ba na de o ba no onye bench woma se bibia toma na oba wo ye starter
okay
it was so muam se de Joseph amu anu de wagiri take it say wo call center back
okay
let them make out here
but on Martin Kantia say obi try so obebra bo Kotoko players no
legend
na daroma ye tin say on make so say o mane maso eti
Tinkler de ono yes obeja o
keza o meya
we yes Tinkler say de obesi dwa man ono de ni me ba say de bubu ya o sai ayi Hamza ho edi legend o yes emfa
we dey to so
legend
Fabio Grosso
the man am beka to Saaka nfie tu ontimi motu yi no
I just 3 days ago was That was Saaka.
Legend.
Fabio.
Communicate na nyako. Eye voice ni edible. Emi don clear.
Say
Saaka. Any Kotei omu na be compete for number 2 wo. Ti Saaka. Next season ubebo 2.
Hey.
Legend. Meet na koso and Ojitu.
That was Saaka.
He said I'm ever ready.
Oh, that is wonderful.
Ojitu.
Player bi anka ka say me.
Na say ni tumbi o watie. Yeah, this is some bibi.
97.9.
What you say?
Okay.
Ose bia tena ha ka sem bi de tire. E bia ka sa won tran ka sa mo abeba ne message foforo. Ba o metena. Ade na say ade no wa e bia na utiki ka.
Gomu sum ni fidie.
Yes, ara me ko me say. On say response bi wo e ba. Tena ha. O ka sa won tran ye hu ba bia ge no betena.
Okay.
You want to betena de ye.
Matias.
It is a with tum sa.
Now da Saaka.
Send you to do also no akuma.
Mate.
What the idea cha kosuda? Agosu we treda.
Oh dabi.
Say bia do bia de am obi na fe ko era usu.
Na da na me ntanya bi ni.
As obi akoba for the no usu okofi no usu. Sa be pepe na ye.
On that note,
legend. For now, nyame ya aduma tina Kotoko ne Benab FC.
Okay.
Ebe boy nkufa kansi.
Hefa.
Ewo Pajo.
Oh, okay.
Nti legend. Eno so nkomo ho.
Mate.
Week we na watchi 2 games no bebo. Na watchi mu 2 games. Ti nyame ya aduma the next game no be the ho asem beba.
Okay.
Na yahwe na bibia nso etimi aye kama.
Okay.
For now 24 players and I come.
Okay.
Nyame ya aduma.
I don't know if this stat is correct. Jao is not an extraordinary player.
Okay.
He scored 4 goals in 32 matches and he played over 2,600 minutes. Meaning, if it is correct, yeah.
Mate. Because you say the trim can.
Matthias here.